welcome back to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Now a few videos ago I got requests of showing you some eye makeup looks. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I keep putting various eye looks. I have done a sunset look, then I did a blue and a neon orange look as well recently. These shades are really trending right now because from behind the mask all you can see is the eyes. So today I thought, let me give you a quick and beginner friendly video on the pink monochrome look. That means you'll be having pink eyeshadows, pink lipstick, blush, everything in pink. So let's quickly get started with that. I have moisturized my face already here. Starting with the primer, this is a pore blurring primer and the primer also preps your skin for further makeup. Next, I'm using foundation. I am going to apply it all over my face and neck so that there is no difference in the skin color on these places. I'm using a blending sponge here to spread the foundation all over my face. You can also do it with the help of a brush. Then comes the concealer. I'm using it only on places which are dark, like my under eyes and area around my mouth, on my chin. I'll be spreading it with the help of a finger. To set the base, apply any pressed powder that you have. Moving on to blush. Here I'm using my pink lipstick. I'll gently apply it evenly on my face with the help of my fingers. Next is highlighter. I'm going to apply this highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, on the temples and also on my collarbone. Now it's time for the eyes. We'll start with my brows. I'm using Kajal here to fill in the gaps as I have thick brows. And after that, I'll be using a brush and set my brows. You can buy all these brushes from Amazon. Now before applying the eyeshadow, I'm using the Catrice Rust Palette and the skin color from there to apply on both my eyes so that the bright color later on is clearly visible. For the pink shade, I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Palette and from there the hot pink color I'm using. I'll start applying it on my crease and then onto the brow bone. Since my eyes are hooded, I really like to apply the shadows more on my brow bone. Just make sure that you apply the shade evenly on both the eyes. After this, take a small brush. Using the same color, apply it carefully on the lower lash line. Using the beauty blender, carefully clean the under eye area after applying the eyeshadow. It's time for Kajal now. Apply Kajal carefully on the upper waterline and give the desired shape you're looking for. I'm going for the winged eyeliner here. After applying Kajal on both my eyes, I'll be using a liquid intense eyeliner and I'll give the finishing touches or the final coat with that one. You can pretty much stop your eye makeup there, but if you think that this is too bright for you, then use a lighter shade and apply it from the inner corners towards outside. Make sure that you really blend these two shades together so that they don't look separately applied. They mix really well and your color of the eyeshadow is also lightened. Lastly, I'm applying this pink lipstick, and to set the makeup, I'll be using a setting spray as well. This is the final pink monochrome look that you can wear to parties, functions, festivals. It's a very beautiful daytime look. I hope you guys liked it. Now I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, love yourself, and stay stylish. Bye.